Hey, what's up? It's Edem with Global Abundance LLC, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in. On this channel, I talk about buying and selling residential and commercial real estate. If you find value in this information, go ahead, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel. The more informed we are about buying and selling real estate, the better off we'll all be. We also have a free VIP group where we share detailed information and answer any questions community has about real estate. It's totally free to join. I'll leave the link in the description below. Today, we're stepping our game up to a world where real estate meets artificial intelligence. We're going to discover how AI is revolutionizing the real estate market, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient to do business. So if you're ready to jump into AI and real estate, let's get started. So artificial intelligence, or AI, has been changing the real estate industry in a major way, far beyond what we've seen in sci-fi movies back in the day. So if you're not familiar with what artificial intelligence is, it's about the capability of machines or software to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning from data, making decisions, and solving complex problems. In real estate, AI isn't about replacing human agents or investors. It's about augmenting our capabilities, reducing the workload, and refining our processes from predictive, analytics and property valuation to intelligent chatbots offering customer service. AI is reshaping how we interact with properties, making the market more efficient, accurate, and user-friendly for everybody involved. The search for the right property or the perfect buyer can get hectic, but AI is simplifying this process. Things like having personalized property recommendations. AI algorithms sift through huge amounts of data, learning from preferences, search history, and even your interactions with listings to recommend properties that closely match your criteria. What this looks like is less time scrolling through irrelevant listings and more time finding your dream property. Now, for sellers, AI helps in creating compelling property listings by analyzing market trends and buyer preferences. And AI can suggest which features to highlight in your listing, making it stand out from the crowd. Chatbots and virtual assistants add another layer to the mix. These AI-powered tools are adding value to customer service in real estate. They offer instant responses to inquiries, and they can schedule viewings and provide detailed info into properties for potential buyers and sellers to have access to what they need exactly when they need it. And AI is making it more easy and intuitive for property listings and just getting your property out there. Now, when it comes to property values and real estate investing, AI is proven to be a game changer with things like automated, valuation models, or AVMs. These AI-driven models provide property valuations by analyzing vast amounts of data, including historical prices, market trends, and specific property features. This doesn't just help in setting realistic prices, but also in understanding the potential future value of the property. AI's ability to process and analyze large data sets allows it to identify investment opportunities, predict market trends, like I said, and offer insights that were previously, out of reach for the average investor. And this helps investors make data-driven decisions, reducing risks and finding more profitable opportunities. And AI can also evaluate a bunch of risk factors associated with properties or investment portfolios, providing a comprehensive assessment that helps investors make informed decisions. So, AI brings a new level of precision and foresight to evaluating properties. And look, AI is not just transforming the way real estate transactions are done, it's also shaking up property management. AI systems can predict when parts of a property may need maintenance by analyzing data from sensors and systems. AI can forecast potential issues before they become bigger problems, saving on costly repairs and extending the lifespan of a property. AI can help with more sustainable living by optimizing energy use. It can control heating, cooling, and lighting systems, adjusting them based on, real-time usage patterns and preferences, which leads to saving a lot of money and a smaller carbon footprint. And AI-powered systems can manage routine tenant interactions, addressing queries, complaints, and requests accurately, while providing more streamlined approach to customer satisfaction and tenant satisfaction. And AI is about creating smarter, more sustainable living spaces that are responsive to the needs of tenants and owners alike. And as with everything, the good can come with the bad. So AI offers a ton of benefits, but it's not immune to challenges. Probably the most important is, data privacy and security. AI handles sensitive personal data, and its security and the privacy of its individuals is crucial. So strong data protection measures are essential to maintain trust and comply with legal standards. And AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. These systems need to be fair and not feed into existing biases, which would require constant monitoring and adjustments. The legal landscape surrounding AI is also still evolving, and AI systems in real estate need to comply with existing laws and ethical standards. Addressing these challenges head on is key to leveraging the full potential of AI in real estate for market fairness and transparency. So today we talked about how AI is changing and revamping the real estate industry, and how AI is changing the way we search for properties and listings. AI, when it comes to investing and determining, property values, property management, and some of the challenges involving AI in the industry. The integration of AI in real estate is not just transforming the industry, it's reshaping our entire approach to buying, selling, and managing properties. It offers a future where market processes are way more easier and streamlined. More informed decisions are made, and the property experience is more personalized and responsive. And as we move forward in this AI-driven era, staying up on what's happening, being adaptable, and mindful of the ethical implications of this tech will be key to getting its full potential. So once again, thank you for joining me today on this quick look into the future of real estate with AI. In the near future, I'll talk about specific AI tools that can help you and the ones that I'm using in my business. So there's some really cool stuff already out here, y'all. So if you're as excited as I am about the potential of AI in the real estate industry, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And I want to hear from you. So go ahead and jump in the comments below and share your thoughts and questions and experience. While you're down there, don't forget to join our free VIP group. The link is in the description. So, your engagement means a lot. In a rapid-paced world, staying ahead means embracing the future today. So keep innovating, stay curious, stay hungry, and let's move through this AI-driven market together. This is Edem signing off. See you in the next video.